This is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to unlock your games if they're locked on your PlayStation 5. So you may have like a lock symbol next to one of your games indicating you can't play it, or you're trying to play it and you're offline or something like that. Well, go up to the top and go to Settings. Then scroll on down to Users and Accounts. Then under here, we want to go to where it says Other. Then go to the right, and then go to where it says Restore Licenses, and select this. It says if you become unable to use content you download from the PlayStation Store, there might be a problem with the licenses for the content. Just simply go to Restore. And this should fix most of the issues for people. Now if you still have it, go to Console Sharing Offline Play, and then share your games with other accounts. And I would do this on every account on your PlayStation 5. So if there's a lock symbol on one account, well, if you do this, it may not apply to other accounts as well in the future. And then you can play your games offline as well. So if you enable this, you enable offline play. And that may be one of the reasons why you have a lock symbol next to it, because you don't have an internet connection. And then you can also try going to sign out, log back in with your email address and password. And then you could also try just going to turn off your PS5 for at least a minute or two, and then come back online, see if that fixes the issue as well. But hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more technical videos coming up next on YourSixTech.